Good morning, everybody. Today's vlog is very special. It's about how we have planned my dad's birthday. So, I will take you all through the journey of how everything was planned as well as showing you the actual day. So, without wasting any time, let's see how the vlog goes. So the first person I contacted when it came to planning my dad's birthday was Mariella because she makes amazing cakes. So I knew I had to contact her, and her online shop name is known as Baker East. And this is exactly how the conversation went. Hello. Hi Mariella. How are you? Acha. Mariella, actually, now I called you up regarding a cake. Yeah, I dad's birthday is coming up, and I wanted to book a cake with you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it was a customized cake, and I'll send you some pictures of it, which I want exactly how I want it. Okay. All right. Thank you. It's on the 17th of December. All right. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carmo. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, wait. Come on, Before cutting, we want a few words from you. Wait. Oh, listen. Quiet. No. Go closer. Come on, baby.
먼저 veterans 바원도 우리 바원도 우리 तुमका आलं के वाढलं म्हणून तुमका चोड देव करूं आणि तू उतर हळली तुमका रंगवली सो तुझ्या नंतर आमकां फुडें सांगता येना तो देव करूं
Thank you very much.
Wish you a happy retirement.
या थँक यू
Wish you happy retirement.
थँक यू
Now you are not going to get any tension. You are really tension.
Only pension.
So I spoke to Mariella and I confirmed with her what I wanted to do, like the cake, the idea of the cake, and she was on board. The next person I knew I needed to speak to, my dad's best friend, one of my dad's best friend, that is Jason. So I contacted him and explained him about the plan. Check it out. Hello. Hi, Jason. How are you doing, Jason? Hi. Jason, I called you regarding to plan our dad's birthday. So the thing is that I have planned a surprise for him, and I would like you and all the team of the veterans to be a part of it. Yeah, so it's going to be a bike parade and with a lot of placards in it, which is happy birthday, exactly, yeah, with balloons and everything. Okay. So 17th is Thursday. So let's do it on the 17th, no? Okay, you can talk to veterans and let me know how it goes around, okay? Alright, I'll call you back later. Alright, bye.
Papa. I'm going front, putting Papa front.
after speaking to Jason, when things fell in place and he agreed to it, as you have seen. So what I've done is I spoke to Ankita and thought of involving her as well in the plan, but in a different way. So this is how it went. Hello. Hi, Ankita. Ankita, I'm Krisania, Karmu's daughter speaking. Yes, Ankita, as you know, right, that he's getting retired this year and his 60th birthday as well is there. So I was planning a small surprise. I just wanted the office team to give him a wish, like a happy birthday. You can remove a video for me and send it across to me so I can show it to him. Yes. Yes, Ankita. We'll do that, Thank you so much. Bye. So after I spoke to Ankita, I had to inform my sister about the whole plan before it gets chopped. So what I did is I called up my sister and the plan went as... Symphonia, where are you? I'm at home only. I just came down the building to see the cycle. I'm for cycling because I just came down to see the cycle. Acha, listen now. Regarding Papa's birthday now, you all are doing it on 17th, right? So I have planned my surprise on the 20th, the bike parade, yes. And everybody's on board, everybody's ready. The cake also will come on the 17th itself. The cake will be cut in Kanta Hotel, not at home, no. It will be cut in Kanta Hotel. Yes, yeah. Okay. Alright, just make sure everything is fine, okay? And please record. Okay, done. Alright, bye. So guys, the plan was a success, and this plan would not be a success without everybody getting involved and everybody helping me out. Me being over here and they being over there was so difficult, but it was a continuous time of coordination and every day of direct talking and all. So I would like to thank Rajesh. I would like to give a big thanks to Akshay, Jason, Marella, Mervin, my sister obviously, and my brother of course. But the biggest thank you goes to Eldon because he helped me to do this vlog at the moment, and also to edit the whole thing and put it all together and to bring it out to you all. So thank you everyone. Mine was only the idea, but you all made it work. So lots of love. Thank you so much. Mwah. Guys, I have also written a poem for my dad, and I will bring it out in a different video because I didn't want to make this video very lengthy. So I have written a poem. It's my first Konkani poem. Usually I write it in Hindi and English, but this is my first Konkani poem, especially for my dad. And please subscribe, tune in the notification bell icon so that you get notified when the video is uploaded. Lots of love. Bye bye.